curry to prevent cancer. It makes you want to pay more attention to dinner tonight, especially spicy dinner.
That's right. But the question is, can curry prevent or cure cancer? Well, Health Check's Christy Myers looks at some interesting research going on actually right here in a Houston lab. Right, Christy?
Right. Tom and Melanie, researchers aren't saying, yes, curry will cure cancer, but in the lab, the researchers have found that the main ingredient in curry literally forced melanoma cancer cells into committing suicide.
Few Houston labs work with something you can eat. This one does. It's curry.
Curcumin can not only prevent cancer, but it can also be used in a therapeutic setting, either alone or in combination with the chemotherapy.
Is he saying curry fights cancer? Yes. Serious researchers at MD Anderson are testing curry, specifically curcumin, the basic ingredient in curry, which is also found in the spice turmeric. Their latest MD Anderson study reports that in the lab, curcumin appears to inhibit cancer growth, especially in the deadly skin cancer, melanoma.
I think it's fantastic.
It's good news for Indian restaurateurs because almost everything on this buffet has curry or turmeric in it. What does curry do? In a previous lab study on breast cancer, they asked,
can curcumin block breast cancer metastasis to the lung? And we found that indeed, yes, we could.
MD Anderson researcher Bharat Agarwal believes it also may work against other cancers.
2 human studies with curry have already begun. They're giving capsules of curcumin, which is the main ingredient in curry, to people with advanced pancreatic cancer and to people with a type of blood cancer called multiple myeloma.
Researchers point out that in India, where curry is eaten 3 meals a day, the incidence of breast, colon, prostate, and lung cancers are 10 times lower than in the U.S.
In India, people eat curry with the breakfast, they eat with lunch, they eat with the dinner.
Curry is inexpensive, and in the lab, they can't seem to find bad side effects, even in huge doses.
The question we all have, how much curry should you eat to prevent cancer? Researchers don't know yet, but they hope the new studies will give them that. And in India, where the cancer rate is so much lower, I'm told each meal contains about a half teaspoon of curry in the food. By the way, some Indian women also use a curry cream on their face to prevent wrinkles. Christy Myers, 13 Health Check.
Interesting. Well,